Certifying officer under the Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946. Now, what is meant by certifying officer? It means and includes a labor commissioner, a regional labor commissioner, or any other officer appointed by the appropriate government by notification in the official gazette to perform all or any of the function of a certifying officer under the Act. This is known as certifying officer. Under the Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946. A certifying officer is explained in Section 2, Clause C of the Act. Next is the matters to be provided in the schedule of the Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946. Under the Section 2, Clause G of the Act, standing order are defined to mean the rules relating to the following matter set out in the schedule of the Act. The following matters are mentioned in the schedule. Classification of a workman, example whether permanent, temporary, apprentice or badlis. Then manner of intimating to the workman, periods, then hour of workman, holidays, pay days and wage rates. Shift working, attendance and late coming, condition of procedure in applying for and the authority which may grant leave and holidays, and requirements to enter premise by certain gates and liability to search. These are the matters which are mentioned in the schedule of the Act under Section 2, Clause G. Now define standing order. It is in Section 2, Clause G. Standing orders are the written rule and regulation of an employer relating to matters governing the terms of employment and the conduct of the workmen. They are like bylaws governing matters such as now which matters are governed in the standing order. These are the matter: payments of wages, then what leave the employee would be entitled to, then the rules relating to his attendance and late coming, termination of his employment, then disciplinary action against him for the misconduct, then medical examination and medical aid, and so on. So these are the matters which are governed by the standing order under the Section 2, Clause G. Rights of certifying officer under Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946. Every certifying officer and appellate authority shall have all the powers of the civil code for the purpose of receiving evidence, administering oaths, then enforcing the attendance of witness and compelling the discovery and production of documents. These are the rights of certifying officer under the Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946.